Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn the change case functions in Excel. So we have three type of change case function in Excel. First one is upper, second is lower, and third one is proper. What is the use of these cases? So these cases help us to change the text string in Excel. Uppercase formula or function help us to change the alphabets in a cell to the upper letters. Let's assume we have an output something like that for uppercase. Now we have to change all the alphabets into a uppercase. How do we do that? Is equal to upper parenthesis start, and then we'll refer the cell uh, from which the text we need to change. We'll close the parenthesis, and that's how we have all the text into a uppercase. Lower, the way of applying this formula is same, however the output will be different. So let me just apply the formula. Is equal to lower, then we'll refer the cell and then parenthesis close, hit enter, and then all the alphabet from E6 now has been changed to a small case. What will proper do? Proper will actually change the first alphabet of a string as upper and rest as a small. Is equal to proper. We'll select the cell. If you see, the first alphabet is uh, upper and rest are small. So what will happen if we have a space in between all these text string, and after space, let's say we have some other word um, or a text string. Let's change everything. So if you see, for upper, every alphabet is in uppercase. For lower, it's the opposite. Every alphabet, whether it is separated by a special character or a space sign, it's all in the small. And then for proper, after space, we have J was a small case. But if you see, after applying proper, J is a uppercase, rest everything is small. So let's change this to, let's change the M as a upper alphabet. So if you see, the output remains the same because proper keeps the first letter as upper and rest as small. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you very much for watching the video.